Hey everyone, today I believe is the last day for racing here in Colorado. It's getting a bit cold outside and it's the last event of the type that I run, which is a no prep event here in Colorado. So I had the slicks on the car in the last video that you guys saw of it, and I'm going to switch it out to some radials today, kind of last minute play to put the drag radials on there so I can run True Street. True Street's a class where you go make like a 45-minute drive, end up back of the track, and then race to prove that it's a street car, and it's a street car. Shout out to Derek. Last night he pulled his wheels and tires off of his car that you guys might have seen in another video, so then I could use them and run this class. All right, so I got the wheels all pulled off. Gonna go swap them out with the radials. All right, so tires are all changed over. Gonna go ahead and get them mounted on the car and get the car loaded up and head to the track. Got the car unloaded. Scotty's nitrous car tuned up, getting ready to go, and Jared's over there with his nitrous turbo Nova, a nitrous Camaro turbo Nova. He made one hit. Everything looks really good, way faster on less boost. So gonna go put another tune up in it and see how it does. Alright, so we're getting ready to go head over, scale the car. Minimum weight for the class is like 3,000 pounds. It's going to be way over that. It weighs like 3,600. We'll see what these scales show. April's going to drive the car. Tell Craig to get out of the way. Go ahead, just go. Got a little traffic jam here. There you go. Alright, so we're going to go over here, get ready to head out on the cruise. About 45-minute cruise, I believe it is. So gonna do that. April gets to drive it today. We'll go have some fun. Get back. We have to go straight to the lanes. We can take whatever we want over to the lanes, but we cannot stop back at our pit, refuel the car, check tires, all that, and then we will make a pass. All right, so we're driving, headed about 30 minutes west of the track, and then we'll be back. A couple little cars cruising. We got Civics in the class, bit of everything. So what a better time when we're cruising like this to work on the drivability tune-up. And it had like a lean spot whenever I was driving it last, so I figured, well, if she's driving, I might as well play with their fuel while we're cruising. So everybody's cruising. So got to go out there. We'll grab a couple, I guess we get 2 cards. A best 2-card hand that we draw will decide if there's like a first round buy or whatever. So that's it. See you guys back at the track. Made it to this spot where we got to turn around and get our cards. So car's doing fine. Just gonna let it cool down so it keeps as much heat out of it as possible, because when we get back we got to make a pass. All right, so we ended up doing drawing. I got a GT 500 that I got to race. He's in the back there, and so put the tune up in the car. We're gonna see what happens. Gonna make 1 test hit, and then I'll have first round with that. So hopefully everything goes good. It's still fairly warm, not too cold yet. So we'll see what happens today. Up. It knocked the tires off on the first hit, which was really weird, but I didn't turn the boost control bottle on, so I'm gonna look at the tune-up and figure out what I did wrong, because it shouldn't have knocked the tires off and it didn't make any power because the bottle wasn't on. So try that again. Round number 2, drew a 30
I was able to lift.
All right, quick little mid-race update. I'm headed to the semifinals. Going to race the black Mustang I ran before, twin turbo Coyote deal. So the car's been acting real weird. It's making boost real aggressively once it comes on. So I got to figure that out. The last pass it went hard to center. So hopefully this pass is better. Going to try to smooth out the boost curve up top and probably even pull a little bit of power out of it just to make sure it goes A to B for the final. Or hopefully at least I win. I don't want to count it too soon, but I've won this, beat this car, so hopefully I can continue that streak and move on to the final. Alright, so I'm in the final. We're racing Kerry with the twin turbo Mustang with the Ford small block in it. So the last pass was really good. It went like 580, 122, so 588. So going to leave that tune up in it. I don't want to mess with it. I just wanted to verify everything was good, and it's good. So we're going to do the exact same thing, and hopefully we can take home the win. You loading up already?
Alright, here we go. Final pass. We're in the finals for the win out of like 15 cars.
Hopefully we can win this thing.
On the light, and it was dead even the whole way through.
All right, so that's it. I ended up taking second place. I lost on the whole shot, so I was a little late to the light and lost by 9 thousandths of a second. So literally like a less than a fender. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you would please hit the like, subscribe, share button on whatever platform you're watching, and I do appreciate it so much for you guys watching. I'll see you later.